Hi, I'm Dr. J. Glory, Associate Professor of Physics, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Today, we are going to discuss about the applications of fiber optics or application of optical fiber. So, in the previous session, we have seen that the block diagram of the optical fiber in communication. So, how the optical fiber is useful in the communication system. And there we have seen that mainly in fiber optic communication system, and there is three main parts, and there is transmitter, optical fiber, and then a receiver. And so we have seen that, and today we are going to discuss about the applications of optical fiber. So in this session, we are going to discuss about the medical industry. What are the applications in the medical industry, and in communication purpose, how the optical fibers are used, and defense purpose, how it is useful, and industrial purpose, broadcasting, and lighting and decorations. In mechanical inspections also we are using the optical fibers. And then finally we are going to see the what are the references related to the optical fibers belongs to this topic. So in medical industry, uh, because of extremely thin and flexible nature of optical fiber, it is used in various instruments to view the internal body parts by inserting into hollow spaces in the body. So, as we said, a thin plastic wire, that is, the thickness of the wire is extremely very small. So, because of extremely thin and the flexible of the optical fiber, so it can bend in any direction, it can move, so that it is used in various instruments to see the internal body parts. It is very useful to see the internal body parts by inserting into hollow spaces in the body. And also, it is used as lasers during surgeries, endoscopy, microscopy, and then biomedical research. Coming to the optical, coming to the communicational purpose, in this communication system, in the communication system, telecommunication system has a major use of optical fiber cables for transmitting and receiving purpose. So already we have seen the diagram. So there, the optical fiber communication system consists of three main parts. One is transmitter, another one is optical fiber, or we can also say transmission channel. That is fiber optics. And then receiver. These are the three main parts in optical fiber communication system. So mainly we use in the telecommunication. So that telecommunication system has a major use of optical fiber cables for transmitting and receiving the information. It is used in various working networking fields and even increases the speed and accuracy of the transmission data. It is used in various networking fields and even increases the speed and accuracy of the transmission data. And when compared to copper wires, fiber optical cables are lighter and they are more flexible. They carry more data. So comparing to the copper wires, optical fiber cables are very lighter as they are very flexible so that and then they are carry more data. In defense purpose, fiber optics are used for data transmission in high level security fields of military and aerospace applications. Fiber optics are used for data transmission in high level security fields of military and aerospace applications. These are used in wirings in aircraft, hydrophones, for sonars and seismic applications when there are earthquakes. Okay, so fiber optics are used for data transmission in high level security fields such as military and aerospace applications. These are used in wirings in aircraft, hydrophones for sonars, and seismic applications. Industrial purpose. In industrial, optical fibers are used for imaging. In industries, optical fibers are used for imaging in hard to reach places, such as they are used for safety measures and lighting purposes in automobiles, both the interior and exterior. So, optical fibers are used for imaging in hard to reach places. Where are the narrow places and where we can't go? So, remote places. So, we can use for imaging such hard places. That is, they are used for safety measures and lighting purposes in automobiles, both in the interior and exterior. They transmit information. Optical fibers transmits information in lightning speed. They Optical fibers transmits information in lightning speed and are used in airbags and traction control. They are also used for research and testing purposes in industries. So optical fiber also used in the research purpose and testing purposes in industries. Broadcasting. In the area of broadcasting, the optical fibers are used to high definition television signals. High definition television signals which have greater bandwidth and speed. So, optical fibers are used to high definition television signals of having greater bandwidth and speed. Optical fiber is cheaper compared to the same quantity of copper wires. Optical fibers are cheaper compared to the copper wires. Broadcasting companies use optical fibers for wiring HDTV, CAT TV, and many applications. Lighting and decorations. In lighting decorations nowadays, it is also gives an attractive, economical, and easy way to illuminate the area that is that they are widely used in decorations and festivals. So, optical fibers are used to decorate the areas in the festival times. So, it also gives an attractive, economical, and easy way to illuminate the area that they are widely used in decorations and festivals. Mechanical inspections. Mechanical inspections. On site inspection engineers use optical fibers to detect damages and faults which are at hard to reach places. On site inspection engineers use optical fibers to detect the damage and to find the faults which are hard to reach places. Even plumbers use optical fibers for inspection of pipes. So it is very easy to inspect the remote areas, remote places by using the optical fibers. By using optical fibers. So these are the applications of optical fibers. That is, in medical field we are using communicational purpose, defense purpose, industrial purpose, broadcasting, lighting and decoration, and then mechanical inspections. We are using optical fibers. So as they as the fiber optics are very thin and flexible, so that wherever the places we couldn't reach, we can use optical fibers to examine, to test, for imaging, so that optical fibers are used in that remote areas. So, in medical field, we can examine, we can view the internal organs, or we can view the internal body parts. by inserting into the hollow spaces of our body. And we can use in communication system, mainly in telecommunication, to transfer the information and to receive the information, we use optical fibers. And also in networking fields, even increases the speed and accuracy of the transmission data. Compared to the copper wires, fiber optical cables are lighter and more flexible, and they can carry more data. In defense purpose, we use data transmission by this optical fiber. So, fiber optics are used for data transmission in high level security fields of military and aerospace applications. These are used in wiring in aircraft, hydrophones for sonars and seismic applications. In industrial purpose, they are used for imaging in hard to reach places, such as they are used for safety measures and lighting purposes in automobiles, both in the interior and exterior. So they transmit information in lightning speed and are used in airbags and action controls. So they are also used, optical fibers also used for research and testing purposes in industries. So in broadcasting, we use these optical fibers to get high definition television signals which have greater bandwidth and speed. As optical fibers are cheaper, we use instead of copper wires. So that they are cheaper compared to the same quantity of copper wires. Broadcasting companies use optical fibers for wiring the TVs, HD or CAT TV, and many applications. So, lighting and decorations they are using widely. So, optical fibers widely used in the lighting and decorations in the festival times. In mechanical inspections, so engineers use optical fibers to detect the damage and faults. So even plumbers use optical fibers for inspection of pipes. So these are the applications of optical fibers. Coming to the references, Engineering Physics, Volume 1 by K. Tyagarajan, Publications, McGraw-Hill Education India Private Limited, New Delhi. A textbook of engineering physics, M.N. Avadhanalu, P.G. Kshesagar, S. Chand and Company, New Delhi. Engineering Physics, Dr. M. R. Mugam, Anuradha Publications, Chennai. Engineering Physics, P. K. Palanisamy, 4th edition cited publication, India Private Limited. So these are the references we can go through related to the applications of optical fibers. In the next session, we shall discuss about the numerical problems on optical fibers. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.